Welcome to Plug and Talk, where we show you behind the scenes of the banking industry. We will be talking about strategy, implementation, cybersecurity, and much more in our new series, Plug and Talk. In this episode, we will talk about the deep dive of the IT operations. I have with me Martin Bielik, our head of IT operations. Welcome.
Thank you for inviting me.
So what were the key operational challenges for you during such an initiative?
One area is the technical kind of challenges, which is something what is known to us. We are doing it already many times, so we know how to handle with technical issues. On another hand, each one client is different, and we need to understand that for the bank it is a big thing to get rid from their core machine, which is helping them to do their business. So they are feeling somehow frightening to get rid from their responsibility for having a full touch with their systems. So the main challenge is to show them that we are here, we are able to do our job, we are secure, and they can just forget about the technical stuff and they can just take care about their banking business.
So it's a trust and communication topic.
Yeah, of course, this is actually the main way how to mitigate this issue, because we can tell them, we can show them many things, but the only thing which will show them exactly that they can trust to us is a full transparency. So also when we are already live, we are in a full operational mode, so we are still keeping the client up to date, what is going on there, how we are mitigating the issues, and this slightly by months or years, making the client convinced that yes, we are the people in the right place doing the job.
So how does Plug and ensure reliability and high performance? Because during the runtime, nothing can happen, right? It has to be stable and reliable.
Of course, time is money. So this is a very good question, because it is a key question for our client. They are very frequently asking us how is the availability of the system. And this is corresponding very well with the costs, because generally it is very common with the bank that bank is paying for infrastructure which is time to time, we can say, never used. They are having spare servers, spare capacity, anything what is there just ready in case of something gets wrong. This is something what we can save in our environment, because we are operating in a public cloud, which is an environment which is having almost infinite amount of capacity. The natural basics and fundamentals of the public cloud is to have high available systems. So everything of this together is making something what is very wanted by the bank, and for the bank itself it is very expensive. Using the cloud, public cloud, and having the architecture which is very well cooperating with the cloud possibilities is the key how to make everything reliable on almost 100%.
So these digital first banks, they're always 24/7, always accessible. How do you ensure that we have the right monitoring in place and that we have the control that 24/7 is really the availability that we can grant?
What we want to do, we are trying to do, our monitoring system is connected with a huge automation layer. When any alert which is coming from monitoring is immediately triggering an action. And always the automatic systems will be faster than humans. And it is that fast actually that in practical life there are many cases when the client will call us, okay, we can see some issue, and we tell him, okay, we know about it and it is already fixed.
So you're ahead of the client, then that's what you need.
Yeah, that's the key is automation. Good monitoring system is only one layer. We need to see that there are also people sitting behind, experts who are preparing and developing the system. As we are going from client to client, we are collecting experiences. So it is another benefit for the client. If there is coming new bank asking us for a plug-and solution, there is accumulated already a huge amount of experiences from previous clients. And it is good to collect all this experience and implement it for new clients, so the client will just get it and use it.
Mm-hmm. Starting to talk about the future, what is next thing in the IT operations that we can provide?
There are many technical expectations. So many people are doing forecasts saying that there will be AI and artificial intelligence hugely implemented in the operation tasks, also big data analysis. Yes, it's true, but we are talking only about the tools here, about the possibilities. But it is not the correct way, correct perspective how to watch on it. Because I remember many IT departments in bank who had really fighting with their managers, with businessmen. Because the bank needs something, but the IT is telling, okay, we cannot deliver it, we are doing something else, or you need to adapt on this. No, this is not the correct way. The bank is that one who is saying us what they need. And then we can come to artificial intelligence, providing them the solution. And we can, if they need higher availability or higher ability to analyze the historical data, we can provide them with the big data analysis. So it will be always only the bank client who will be telling us how it will be the future, because IT is that one who needs to serve to the bank, not the bank serve to the IT.
So it's quality and client centricity that makes good IT operations.
Definitely yes, because the client is the only reason why we are here. If there wouldn't be a satisfied client, then we wouldn't be doing our job here.
Thanks a lot for these interesting insights, and see you next time.
Thank you.
This brings us to the end of this episode. Thanks for watching, thanks to the expert, and see you next time.